JAWS Professional Start button to open. Press Enter. Enter. Menu. Search box. Edit. Type text and is space. O. View recom. O. Z. I. A. Enter. Leaving menus. Mozilla Firefox Start Page dash Mozilla Tab. Default browser dialog. Enter. Search query edit. Type in text. Tab. Tab. Navigate tab. Search or enter address at UTC. Mozilla Firefox LACK. Enter. Restore previous session button. Mozilla Firefox. Mozilla Firefox. https://blackboard.edu/ my institution -9-29-2016 n-blackboard learn-mozilla tab. Open tab. Tab. Log tab. ADA Compliance and Online Courses Summer 2018. Visit Enter. Start here and ADA Compliance and Online Courses Summer 2018 Mozilla Firefox. Start here and ADA Compliance and Online Courses Summer 20 tab. Start Enter. Start here and ADA Compliance and Online Courses Summer 2018 Mozilla Firefox. Start here and ADA Compliance and Online Courses Summer 2018 tab. Oh tab. Tab. File video to enter. Mozilla Firefox. About : blank. Opening video tour transcript.docs. Opening video tour transcript.docs dialog. Read only. You have chosen to open : video tour transcript.docs, which is : micro. Enter. Start here and ADA Compliance and Online Escape. The video tour transcript. The detailed syllabus, course menu. To complete this course, the detailed syllabus, course schedule, and a link to the weekly. To complete this course, you will need, in total, you are required. In addition, you need the detailed I have reserved. If you encounter it, the learner support link will direct the tutorial upon last but not. But I hope with patient learning and practice, upon completion of this course, you will feel comfortable and confident in your ability to make your own course materials accessible. But I hope with patient learning. Alt F4. Start here and AD tab. Click for tab. Frame tab. YouTube video player. ADA course tour link. Enter. YouTube-Mozilla Firefox. YouTube-Mozilla Firefox. No space. ADA course tour YouTube-Mozilla Firefox. Tab panel. Main region. Complementary information. ADA course tour num space.
To complete this course, you will need to review the module content and submit the assignments. In total, you are required to participate in 3 discussions and engage in meaningful conversations with your peers. In addition, you need to complete 5 DIY projects, 2 mini quizzes, and submit a final journal. The detailed instructions and grading rubrics can be found in the assignment details within each items. I have reserved 2 hours for open office hours every Friday from 10 a.m. to noon. If you encounter any questions about the module or your assignments, please feel free to check into the virtual office hour via Blackboard Collaborate. The Learner Support link will direct you to the UT Online Help Desk. In case
Start here and ADA Compliance and Online Courses Summer 2018 Mozilla Firefox. Frame. YouTube video player. ADA course tab. Installation details link. Shift tab. Access Shift tab. Item Start here item options Start here ADA course tour YouTube frame end. The transcript of the video tour is attached in a Word file. tab, accessibility tab, 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 the tab, my institution tab, 1 of 2 left parent active tab, right parent visited link.